I won't give the full rant, but the problem with the way meditation is taught is the first thing they teach you to do is to quiet your mind. You can't do that. And some people, 1 out of 1,000 people can do it after a few years. That's a very advanced topic, but they put it right in the beginning. And what it does is it makes you feel like you failed at it. And that's not fun. I don't want to fail at it. This should be easy. It should be fun. It should be enjoyable. It should be healthy, right? I should be doing something that's good for me. I should want to do something that's good for me. But you feel like a fail. Oh, you have to give up all attachments. What? I love my wife. I love my kids. I love my grandkids. I like college football. I don't want to get attached, to it. I don't want to lose, get all devolved into my attachments and, have all sorts of psychological problems. But I like the things in this world. We were born into this. We chose this incarnation to be here, to experience this. This is utopia. We live in utopia. The world is designed just for us. This is our world. Why should we give it up? Well, I don't like that. So that again makes people feel like they're failing. Or there's a correct way, a correct posture, a correct way to hold your hands. Your eyes have to be like this, and all that stuff. Those are all outer things. And if there's a correct way, then the teacher holds all the power, and the other 999 people aren't doing it right. And the teacher can say, "Well, you're not enlightened because you're just not doing it right." The teacher shouldn't have any power. This is your power. You already are enlightened. You already are a being of light. You already have energy flowing through your body. You're already healthy. You're already happy. You're already abundant. It's all on the inside. Don't let anyone tell you that meditation is the goal isn't meditation. Meditation is just a doorway. You open the door, let it go, and now you explore your inner world. It's just a tool to get you inside your inner world. When you go to a party, you don't open the door and stare at the door for 30 minutes. That's what people do with meditate. Oh, I have to meditate. Like it's a big thing. So oh, am I doing this right? Am I doing this well? Read books on it and the whole thing. I meditate. Oh, I'm not good at meditation. They're just staring at the freaking door. Walk into the inner world. It's all yours. It's just a doorway. Don't get wrapped up in it. Don't let a teacher tell you how to do it. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not doing it right. There's a million ways to meditate. I just gave you one that's the easiest, most natural way. You ever like pick up a book and just like read something beautiful and then you just close the book, keep your finger in it, keep your finger in the book, you just close it and bliss out? That's meditating. That counts. That counts.